Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy mushroom ragu. Really simple, quick as well. Alright, you're going to need all of this stuff right in front of us, and I'm going to show you what all of that is as we go along with the recipe. Alright, pretty simple sort of stuff. Alright, I've got a saucepan here and fry pan, and I'm just going to add in a nice big knob of butter. Use as much or little as you like. If you don't want to use butter, use a bit of olive oil. And here I've got a couple of tablespoons worth of chicken fat that's left over from a roast chicken. You could use duck fat. If you don't want to use either, again, butter, olive oil, that will do the job. Some sort of lubrication is what we're going to need for this particular dish. Alright, we've got that up to a nice bit of heat. I've got one onion finely diced, and I'm just going to add that straight into that fat. And we're just going to cook that off until they go a little bit translucent. Okay, we don't need to go stupid hot and do searing and all of that sort of thing with this dish. It's quite a gentle dish to do, and I'm taking my time on this one tonight. Okay, 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Right, put that straight in. Fresh garlic, of course. Right, that can go in at this point. And I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon's worth of fennel seeds. If you can find ground fennel, grab it, because it's rare as rocking horse teeth. Okay, 600 grams worth of Portobello mushrooms that I've just given a sort of bit of a slicey slice. And we don't have to go bananas and cut them really thin, and we don't have to cut them really thick. Just find that Goldilocks moment where they're just right. They can go straight in just like that. And now these are a very robust mushroom, and they can handle a fair bit of cooking. Alright, so we can start to see a little bit of wiltage happening with the mushrooms. I'm going to add in 400 grams worth of tomato passata. Okay, if you don't have passata, this is just a 400 gram can of diced tomatoes. Put that in the food processor, 20 seconds, and we've got a preservative and additive free tomato sauce that we can use. Alright, so we're just going to give all of that a bit of a stir, just like that. Alright, and this pan probably is a little bit too small at the moment for this, but look, don't worry, we just continue. About 2 teaspoons worth of caster sugar to give us a little bit of sweetness there, and we're going to give it a bit of seasoning with some freshly ground black pepper, as much or little as you like. Alright, if you want to put a little bit in now, if you want more, add a little bit later. 2 tablespoons worth of balsamic vinegar. It's going to give us a real sweet sour type of flavor to this particular dish, and with the juices coming out of the mushrooms as this cooks, it's going to give it a beautiful color and flavor. Right, so once again, just give all that a bit of a mixy mix, just like that. And I'm going to cook this one off just a little bit low and slow. I've got the time on this particular one. You can cook this off a little bit quicker if you like, and you can get this done in under 20 minutes. Right, so just cover that down. It's been going for around about 10 minutes or so. As you can see, we've got a nice little bit of simmerage happening there in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to add in just a little bit of salt to taste. Right, once again, add as much or little as you like. Right, so we're just going to do that, and I'm going to move that onto another hot plate, just nice and low, covered. Alright, so Mrs. KP's got some water boiling here with a good amount of salt, and today we're going to use pappardelle. Right, I've just been on a pappardelle kick lately. You can use whatever pasta you like. This will even go great with just some mashed potato if you want to go that way as well. Right, so read the instructions on the back of the pack. It will tell you how long to cook the pasta for. It's going to be under 10 minutes, I can guarantee you that. Not very long at all. Don't let it go to mush, and don't serve it undercooked either. Just get it that al dente. We want a little bit of chew to our pasta. Alright, that's not going to take very long at all. Okay, so in the meantime, my ragu is sitting on the other hot plate, just sitting on low, just simmering away, and it's time to serve. We're not going to do a strain, we're just going to pull the pappardelle straight out, just like that, and put that straight onto a bowl, like that. And if you haven't tried making your own sort of ragu before, it is not that hard. I'm proving it to you right here. Okay, so pasta down, and we're going to add in some of our beautiful Portobello mushroom ragu. Mrs. KP's given me a nice big healthy serving of this one, and don't forget to add in some of the juice when you are serving that up as well. It's going to coat that pasta quite nicely. It's a very nice, rich type of sauce we've just made. And look, if you don't want to use the duck or chicken fat, don't worry, you can make this 100% vegan, right? But I'm going to go against the trend, and I'm going to add in a little bit of pecorino or parmesan cheese, freshly grated, of course. And there you go, you've got KP's Easy Mushroom Ragu. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence to make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Alright, leave a comment, love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something really easy, super healthy, and really tasty like my mushroom ragu, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eat this mushroom ragu with some pappardelle, and I will catch you next time. Bye.